Hi everybody. Hello guys. So if you can hear me and see my screen, I can see your screen or I can hear you in the comment section. So good evening, good afternoon, good morning, what time you are watching this live with me. So if I can see me and hear me, just say that in the comment section so that we can dive right in because we're already far behind. Like I said, you can just use the comment section if you can hear me and see my screen, so I'll be sure that you guys are following me. Just comment I can hear your screen, I can hear you, and I can see your screen, so that when I start I'll be sure that you guys can are actually with me. So just write that in the comment section. Since nobody is responding or leaving a comment in the comment section, so today we'll be talking about forex trading in general. Right, we'll be talking about forex trading in general. What is forex trading, and just beginners knowledge that don't have knowledge on what is forex trading, or those trading and they want to get better. This is forex trading 101. So welcome to the beginners class. So you can make use of your notepad and listen attentively. Also be active when I active and listen attentively. And also when I ask questions, you can leave the answers in the comments. Do you have any knowledge on trading? If you have knowledge on trading, you can, and yes, you have a simple knowledge in trading, just drop whatever you know, even if it's the littlest knowledge you know in trading or what you have heard about in forex trading. Just drop it in the comment section. And if you don't have any knowledge in forex trading, you can just go ahead and also type no, so that we will know where we stand as I progress. So if you have any knowledge in forex trading, just drop whatever knowledge you have, what you know. But if in the comment section, I'm waiting for you guys to do that. 1 minute for that before we move to the next slide, so we can hurry things up because there's a lot to be taught. At the end of the class, I will show you those who have $100 or those that have 50,000 naira, how they can start and scale trading with their capital, and they can actually trade with their small capital. Because a lot of things that have been hindering traders is that they have very limited capital, they don't know how to use it, they don't know how to grow their capital. And I will be telling you how to do this at the end of the class. I'll also show you how you can access more trading knowledge, courses and everything for free without paying any money to get this knowledge, right? Like I said, this is a beginner's class. I want to help you guys grow in forex trading, give you guys the tips, hacks, tell you those that have small accounts to grow in forex trading. So these are the essential things you need as a trader. 16, you need them, and you cannot trade without them. The first one is a broker. You need a broker to trade. A broker is a middleman between buyers and sellers. Again, a broker is a middleman between buyers and sellers in the market. In forex trading, you are buying and you are selling currency pairs. So let us say a broker is like a bank, for example. Let's say to help you do those transactions. So that is what the use of a broker. It's an app whereby you put your money and everything, and they give you a certain leverage for you to be able to trade the financial market. They connect you with the financial market to make things easier for you to trade and make it possible for you to trade. And to create a broker account, I would let you guys know, I'll direct you guys how to create all the apps I'll be listing here at the end of this class. So do not be worried on how you will get a broker account and everything. And also, TradeView is an app where you analyze the market, like you analyze the charts. You see market movement, see currency movement, right? Why MT5 is where you go and place that trade, where you press buy and when you press sell. That is the use of MT5. So you need these three apps. Without these three apps, you really cannot place a trade. We can't address you as a forex trader. And the first one, you need money to trade. No matter how little you have, right, you actually need money to trade. You can trade demo, but for you to withdraw from the market, you need to actually put in funds. Trading is an investment as well as a business. And the fifth one, you need knowledge like this. And luckily for you guys, this is knowledge I'm giving it to you. And at the end of this class, I'm also going to give you way to access more knowledge, so that is sorted out if you listen attentively. And the sixth one, you need to practice. Time to practice. Give yourself at least 2 to 3 hours a day to practice trading. Research more, get better. Just be curious about trading. Search things online. What is forex trading? Forex trading hack. Just be searching things online. Be very curious in trading. So now let's go back to business. If you are listening at us, if you are here and active with me, just type active in the comment section so I will know me. Active in the comment section so I will know you are with me. So I will know you guys are listening to me and I'm not wasting my. If you are listening, just type active in the comments. Just go to the comments. It's underneath this video that you're watching, and just type active. If you're with me, type active. Alright, I can see that you guys are with me. That's very good. I can see that you guys are with me. Alright then, let's progress. Get it right. I didn't get it, and I get trading. Figure out that this is what made me waste time, and I'm helping others too as well. So, like they say now, what is forex trading? Forex trading means foreign exchange trading. That is what forex trading means. Foreign exchange trading, popularly known as buying and selling of foreign currencies. Foreign currencies, right? So changes in changes in currency economy may affect changes in forex traders take advantage of these changes when by buying when they expect the currency to rise and selling when they expect it to. You guys should give me a second. Alright guys, so I'm back with you guys. So when you expect changes in a country's currency, you take advantage of those changes. So when you expect the currency to rise, then you buy. When you expect the currency to fall, then you sell that currency, right? So for example, now let's say the euro versus USD. So because currencies, when forex trading together, because you are buying one and selling one. So for example, now imagine that you are traveling abroad, right? You have naira and you want to get the dollar, right? So to get the dollar, you have to buy the dollar with your naira. You have to buy the dollar with your, then it's going to be USD NGN. That means you're using NGN to buy USD, right? So now it's euro USD. We want to use USD to buy euro. It's called euro USD, and it's traded in pairs. If euro goes up in value, you will make profit in real USD. If you're buying your USD, or if the euro goes up in you are making a, you're going to take a loss, right? Then the market, you trade 24/5. That's if you are trading strictly currencies. But I don't know whether if you have heard about things called like trading gold or crypto. It's still under forex trading, but those ones like BTC can be traded 24/7. That is every Monday to Friday, because the banks closes during the weekend. So we don't really trade currency per Saturday. That is why it's called 24/5. So who trade in the forex market? We have big players and small banks that want to just push their currency up. For example, I don't know that you guys have heard that one day just wake up and hear that okay, the crazily up. Banks and the big players have invested money to make dollars strong, and while the small players are us, we just trade to make money with the big players, right? Because of our broker. Like I said, our broker is just like banks that gives us the opportunity and connect us with the main trading or financial market. So You guys should take notes. Please take notes. So why people trade forex? We trade forex for different reasons. I know the main reason people trade, even me, is to make money, right? But apart from that, there are also other things in forex. Liquidity. Forex trading is easy. You can buy and sell. Once you buy, you can close your trade, withdraw your capital. That's it. Just press buy and sell, and you don't even have to go out of your house to do all this hard work. And accessibility, you need only your smartphone. With your phone you can change your life, right? It's not everybody have those big screens that you see. Is because maybe they want a clearer picture. You get the jack. But with your phone, you can start with your phone and change your life. And leverage, you can control big trades with small money. If you have small money to start, like I said, 50,000 naira, you can control big trades. And that, if you know your way, if you listen attentively to all the things I'm going to say today. And opportunities, you can profit when currencies are buying and currencies are selling. You can make money if you hold your trades. It's all about making money. So what are forex pairs, right? Like I said, I explained to you before, we have different types of pairs. We have a lot of pairs. Like I told you, USD NGN, that means USD naira, buying the USD using naira, and Euro USD, buying euro using dollar. That is, so for example, now Euro USD, the first currency is called the base currency. The first currency is called the base currency, while the second currency is called the quote currency, right? So Euro is the first one, is called the base currency. That is because you are using the quote currency to buy the base currency. I hope you guys are following attentively. And I'm trying to speak as fast as possible because we have already spent a lot of time already. So I'm trying to rush things so you guys could understand. If you have questions, you can note your questions down. At the end of the class, you guys can ask your questions. Yeah. Or you can also drop your questions from time to time in the comments. Could answer it. All right. So I was talking about forex, and I've explained this before we even got there, right? Different types of forex pairs I recommend highly to you that you can start. You can take a screenshot of this. Let me make this look as, you can take a screenshot of this. The ones that are in bold italics, right, are the currency pair, are the pairs I trade. Those are the only pairs I trade. These 5 pairs that are bold are the pairs that I trade. Well, I recommend all these pairs to you because I know all these pairs are quality and good pairs for you to take. Why I say you is a commodity? Because gold is a commodity paired with dollar. You're buying gold with dollar. And BTC USD is a crypto pair because you're buying BTC, a currency pair. The reason why it's also traded as forex because it's mixed with a currency, which is USD, right? Please, if you are following me now, just write active in the comment section so I will know that you guys are with me as I am talking. Just write active, active, active. Let me see active in the comment section. If you're, so I'll know that you guys are with me. Alright, alright. Okay, the same person is with me. I like this. Yeah. Joachim Anyawu. I don't really know why I pronounced it well, but like you're following. That's good. So, important terms you must know in forex trading. You must know. Let me increase this so that you could easily see this. So, let me increase this so you can see this. So, fundamentals, right? We have two types of forex trading. We have fundamental trading and we have technical trading. So, fundamental is simply using news to trade. I'm sure that sometimes you guys will hear and like a news came up, maybe Nigeria currency is no longer strong because we're having inflation or things just are going up, farmers, something is happening to the farmers, so it's affecting our currency and stuff like that. So that is called fundamental trading. It's traders using news and world news to predict the currency. For example, now if you hear that there are clashes, you hear that price of goods are expensive, you know that naira will definitely fall. Naira will definitely sell the, you get the job. But if Naira is not doing well, for example, and you're not be okay, that's good. It will give you opportunity for you to Naira, for you to buy the Naira. You get the check. So this is fundamentals can be affected by different things. We have it can be affected by interest rates, can be affected by inflation, can be affected by news and politics, can be affected by economic reports. A lot of things that can affect for forex market. That is the charts. Those candlesticks, the red and green candlesticks you see, that is what we call technical trading. You're just following the movement of the market. Like you see that okay, each candlestick is forming and is going up. They will now analyze and be like, okay, maybe the next is you using candles to analyze. Why fundamentals is you using the news. I make use of my trade. I just use fundamentals from time to time to just help me just know my direction. But for me to place my trades, buy and sell, I use technical analysis. That is, I use the charts, the candlesticks to analyze. And now we're going to lot size, yeah. So lot size is the amount of currency you are buying or selling in a trade, right? So I'm sure that you have heard that in forex trading, I can take the same trade as you, but I can make more money than you, and we'll take exactly the same thing. We'll open to make more money than you, and the reason why is because I'm using a higher lot size and you are using a smaller lot size. That means I'm risking more and you are risking less. But me that I'm risking more, if it goes in my direction, I'll make more money than you, and you that are risking less, you will make less money than me. But if you see the does not go in my direction, maybe I you. So that is how lot size is, right? So we have three different types of lots. We have the standard lot, we have the mini lot, and we have the micro lot. So the standard lot is, I'm sure that you have heard of something called when you open the trade and you see 1.0. That is what is standard lot. A mini lot is 0.1 lot size, and a micro lot is 0.01 lot size. For example, now a standard lot which is 1.0 lot size means that you need 100,000 euros before you trade, right? And a standard lot and a mini lot means you need 10,000 euros to trade, and the micro lot means you need 1,000 euros to trade. But here is the check. You're now confused, right? You're now, why she said that I can trade with just 50,000 naira, and now I'm hearing that you need this amount to trade. The reason why you can trade with 50,000 naira now is because your broker has given you a leverage to trade without needing this money. That is why you have to go for the right broker. And like I said, I'll tell you about how to get the right broker, the right everything later as we proceed, right? But now This is what lot size means. So if you're using a micro, if you want to trade now, right? If you want to trade, before you place a trade, you will need to put in your lot size. Are you using 0.01, 0.1, or I've made a video about how to place a trade, like placing a trade, how to place a trade, and I will send the link of the video to the group. Once I send the link of the video to the group, you guys can watch it. So it doesn't, if I do that here to buy it will take a lot of our time. I cannot really even do that here because the market has closed. You know, today is weekend, so I cannot do that today. Like I said, market operates 24/5. All right, so and here like this, you can take a screenshot of this. It's very risks that you are meant to take per lot size. So if you have like, if you want to risk, right, so a low risk that you can take per trade will be 0.01 lot size. A high risk could be 0.1 lot size. Remember what I said, the higher you risk, the higher your potential of making more profits, and also the higher potential of taking more losses. You get, so the is a risky game though, but you know, you have to take risks in this life to make a lot of money. Nothing is free. We all took risks to get to where we are today. So yeah, so take a screenshot of this. This will help you when you want to start trading and when you have money to trade. This is the rules and the range of how you will trade. So if you have $1 to risk, this is what the kind of amount of lot size that you are supposed to use. So write this down or take a screenshot. And pip, now pip means the smallest price movement in most currency pairs. You know that the currency does not stay stagnant. If you hear that, let's say for example now, the euro USD now, all right, let's say you want to buy euro with dollar, and let's say one okay, see it here sef, euro moves from this to, let's say you want to buy euro with dollar, euro USD, and let's say 1 euro is like $4, for example. 1 euro is $4. If 1 euro is now $4.1, that means the euro has moved by 1 pip. You understand? So I'm just using that as like a baseline example to tell you. So for example now, your USD now, so the USD 0.1001. This means that your USD has moved from this price to this price, pip. And pip is the fourth movement in the market after the decimal point. The fourth movement in the market after the decimal point, and that is what we call pip. Do not forget it. So if it now moves at the top, let's say now it's now 1.1010, that moved 10 pips, and pips determine how much you will make. So for example now, like standard lot, that means you are risking that means the higher standard lot. 1 pip means that you will make $10 if the market move 1 pip, right? And if the market moves against you 1 pip, you will lose $10. So 0.1 lot size, if the market moves 1 pip, you make $1, and if the market goes against you, you will lose $1. And 0.01 lot size, if the market moves in your favor, you get $0.1. $1. That means that's how it is, looks like this now. But the higher you are risking, the higher your lot size, the more money you will make or lose. Like I said, I can enter a trade, you can enter a trade, the same exact trade, I will make more money 0 point, as I mean I'm using one lot size now. You be making $1 per pip, me I'm making $10. In 10 pips I make $100, you will still make $10. Can you see the difference? Right? So trading, you just have to, it's good to risk to make money. You get the check. Don't be stagnant about it. You are in this game to make money, so don't be scared. This, alright. Oh, someone said I can't see the screen clearly. Okay, if you cannot see the screen clearly, right? Go to use something called like settings or settings up in your phone and on YouTube. Just tap it. You see increase video quality, something like that. Then you tap that and put 720 or 1080. Then it will increase, or you can choose higher picture quality to increase the quality of the video of the YouTube you are watching. You are listening. So, like I said, leverage is the loan your broker allows to control a large amount of money. So, if you are creating your broker account now, it's something like 1:100. It means that for every $1 of your own, you can trade up to $100. Some have to make $100 in the market. You get the check, right? Brokers give you that opportunity. That's why you need to have a good broker that can give you a good leverage. So brokers actually their limit is 1:100. While the good brokers have limit of 1:1000. And for every $1 you have, you get the check. But remember, they bigger anything in trading for profit losses. So have that in mind. And we have markets. Please, you guys should listen attentively. I don't know whether I'm shouting or audible enough because I'm not really feeling so sure this life, and I had to show up. I really had to show up. I'm very, very stressed as it is, and everything, because I had a lot of questions on how to start forex trading, and I really don't know how to reply everybody one after a time. So I decided to hold this actively, take notes. You can ask questions. I didn't keep a limit to questions. You can ask questions. You get the jerk. So there are different kind of market orders. These are orders like if you want to, when you are trading, right? Like buy and sell, right? You're ordering. If you are buying something, I'm ordering, I'm buying it. If I'm selling it, okay, I'm selling it. Call orders, right? So we have the market execution. This means that okay, you are buying the currency now at buy now, just buy it. Why buy limit means that you be like, okay, I'm waiting for price to like get to this number first. When it gets there, I'll put a limit. So when it gets there, the market will automatically trigger me whether I'm placing it. Why buy stop means that okay, I'm waiting for price to be buying. Then when it buys to my satisfaction, I say okay, price is now strong. I will now buy. Basically puts me on a buy trade from there. I hope you guys understand. I will send a video. I will send a link to a video about this. So I said I'm going to send links to 2 videos already. So I'll send a link to a video about this where I did this on the chat for you guys to see. We get, so I'll send the video to the group. Yeah. So time, and I've already explained a lot of beginner knowledge and a lot of things about trading. Because really means that I want to get this other person's currency. I want to use my currency and buy that person's currency because that person's currency, you get the check. I'm exchanging it and I'm making profit from it. Now, if I use Naira, it's higher than Naira, right? I'm now making, I say, okay, dollar is going to buy. Once dollar follows that my analysis and just keeps buying, I make money that pay. I make money from analyzing the market and joining the market, like me investing in dollar. I'm leaving the trade. I leave the trade with my profits. That's how forex trading is, simply very, very easy. By the time you guys create your trading account now, you will see and understand that it's not really as hard as it is. The apps that you guys actually even need to, I'm not paying a dime for these apps. You get everything is free. It's there. You that is something that you can make more. A mobile phone is capable of changing your life. It's just that you just need to put in the work. And yes, you need money to start an investment. You just need to find like 50k plus to start something. You get pay for it. It's not falling from heaven. So you know that everything in this life you need money to make money. So now if you don't have that money to invest in trading, I advise you that you sell your services. Something they have services you sell, get the money and invest in trading. So you have a lot of income sources, right? First one is something that you can use your mobile phone. You're making money from your mobile phone too as well. But get in one day and give you $1,000 in a day. That's it. It's capable of doing that. Whatever you are doing, this your business giving you $1,000 in a day. This your business giving you 5 million naira in a day. In a day. Do you see that? No, but forex in the tendency of it giving you that amount. So everything that you're doing in this life, right? You look at the bigger picture. I always say this, you look at the bigger picture. Look at the possibilities, right? So these are the basics that you need as a beginner, right? To learn the technicals, charts, candlesticks, movements. These are for those that who don't want to analyze the market, who wants to analyze those charts, and we want to be like a technical analyst, right? That's if you do have the time for that, if you have the time to learn it, because it will take you approximately 6 months to learn that. But if you want to make money immediately, right, like without having to learn technical analysis at all, you can take my signals and make money. Message me signals. Otherwise, use my signal propaganda the check. But if you want to learn technical analysis, I will send you. Yeah, I'll send you a link to a course, a YouTube course to watch. Just send me to watch and learn technical analysis. Like I said, I'm here to help you guys. So most of all the things I'm giving you guys here are free because you guys are on this call. Once I will put all those things back for sale to be because it took me a lot of time to create all those things I'm giving next year, so that by next year you have full momentum to make crazy money from the forex market. Honestly. So if you have capital from 50 k, you are a potential investor in the forex market. And let me show you how you can trade with your capital, no matter how small it seems, right? I want to teach you how to make a lot of money. I have to preserve it. Like I said at the start of this call, the broker you use determines if you are with a high spread, there are rewards for traders. That means there's some brokers that will not pay you for trading, while there are brokers that pay you, that reward you for trading profits. Eh? I have made money from my broker. Like my broker, outside me trading, give me reward. And that rewards they give me, I will invest in trading and make more money from trading. It seems funny, right? It's very funny. All these things because a lot of people are stagnant. They've been trading with brokers that have not really helped their life one bit. Not giving them a single thing. Why there are brokers here that can actually give you opportunities and help you do more. Or withdrawals. Imagine after making money, you cannot withdraw your money. Ish, that's terrible. So if you go and make the mistake of creating your account with one broker, it's XM broker for you guys, right? So I've traded with a lot of brokers, plenty, and I realized that a lot of traders lose money because I know that it's telling me that like a lot of people make especially slippage, they're having spillage because of their trading the wrong without having them in mind. When I have students like that were complaining, so I looked for brokers and everything, and I found XM recommend for you to trade with XM broker, right? So if you want to create an account with XM, right, the link, use the partner code here because the partner code will give you access to a lot of benefits, like a lot of benefits that I have access to, right? the partner code will give you access to that broker. That means you don't have to getting those benefits. Once you use that partner code now, you have opportunity to get those benefits I enjoy without having to be trading with them. You get the check. So this is just opportunities I'm sharing with you guys on the call. You get the check. So this is I will send create your account to that broker, fund the broker, verify your account and start trading. Do not be tied down to one broker. Explore, try new things, take opportunity, take advantage of opportunity. I'm sure that you guys have too much. You now go to OP or go to Money Point. I feel like, oh, this bank is the best. If you have not traveled to Money Point or OP, the other banks that you have been using before, collecting your money and everything. But now it's okay. There's actually a bank that can do transaction with for free. Different things. You need to make money from different things, and brokers pay you to trade. It's funny. Oh god. So these are bonus offers. You have deposit bonus. That means if you have 50K to trade with, right? They give opportunity to trade with 100,000. So if you fund 50,000, so 50,000 naira is like 35 bucks. So if you want 35 bucks, they give extra 35 bucks. That means you have $70 to trade with. Bonus. So I guess you lose out your 50,000 naira, right? You have another 50,000 naira that is not you that funded. It's not your money. And they have first education for free. But this education, like I said, is those that use that link and everything, they can access it, right? So you're enjoying my benefits. Just like imagine a broker teaching you how to trade. That's not crazy. It's crazy. My signal group for free. My signal group is 50K. But from next year, honestly, it will get to like 300K. I'm making you a good broker, and I want you guys to be able to trade, right, and take advantage of all these rewards. So access to my signal, every single thing too. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is my student that funded 34 bucks, which was 50K, and the broker gave her another 34 bucks, making it 68K. He credited her another 34 bucks, the exact money she funded. Biggie, are you not saying the magic? And whatever profit she makes, she she keeps the profits, every single thing, every dime. So the group, create a trading account, fund it, and just start trading. So I'll send a video alongside how to create your account in case you get lost. So if yes you get lost on how to create your account, just message me and I'll help you. Don't make a mistake. Use that link. If you don't use that link, you know how I saw this bonuses. So because I'm sure that some now will go to Google and go and type XM. Type XM, you see create your account, you see use the broker. If it's trading reward, deposit bonus and everything. Anyways, fund your account, verify your account, then message me to add you to the test to the XM course like I told you about, right? So when you are done, just message me and I'll give you access to that. I will direct you on how to have access to the SM course and the bonuses in inside stuff I didn't mention here. Yeah, there's some inside bonuses I didn't mention here because the bonuses are just crazy. I cannot afford to mention all here. I give all for free here. So if you do this, just message me privately and I'll tell you about it. Your account. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you learned a lot from this class, and I said I'll send you my technical analysis video. That means because I cannot explain technical analysis here, it's too broad. It's a course or explanation and everything. So just message me technical analysis and I'll send you a link to the course video, right? Class because I cannot go and post the course video because I can potentially sell for a lot of money. I will not be giving it out. That's why I didn't post it to the group. So you guys are in this call have to just message me and use the link in the group to create your broker account. Do not sleep on this. So I hope you can accolade. If you have learned a lot from this class, give me my accolade. I can just say thank you for the knowledge and everything to just boost me up because I'm sick and I'm here to train up for you guys, right? And I'm sick train up for you guys. It can be tiring. Since no one wants, it seems like you guys will not enjoy my free class and you guys will only enjoy my paid class, because imagine coming here to do this free class and no one is getting session. It just means that you guys do not really enjoy someone taking her time out to give out and free resources. Anyways, the class was fun. I hope it was fun. Approximately an hour, almost an hour here already. Anyways, good night, guys, and peace. This is the end of the class, guys. So, bye.